motherfucking time.
You gotta get round two. Oh, you on? You on, bro? Hit it. Do something.
Every motherfucker.
Do a poem or song or something.
Every time, motherfucker. Every time.
Hit that shit, bro. Make them feel it. That's it, bro. Hit it.
You be looking good. You be looking good, baby. You be looking so damn good. You already know the speech.
Break it down one time for them hoes.
Tell all the hoes what you want to tell them in the world. Tell them what you want to tell them, huh? Right now.
The light too bright.
Tell them what you want to
And
tell
you
them.
gotta get used to the camera flash in your face, bro.
Tell them what you want to tell them.
All the cameras gonna be in your face, bro.
Worldwide, for real.
When you're a star, all the cameras gonna be in your face. You gotta get used to that.
Tell them, ho, what you want to tell them.
I can tell you about heartache, baby. I can tell you about pain. Because they play a part in my life. Like a storm in rain, girl. Ting, ting,
Good,
Oh, shit.
Tell I'm talking about, man, you got to let tell you how.
Right. But I got to rehearse for this shit, man.
No, you got to rehearse.
Hey, man, give me my motherfucking book. Give me my motherfucking book, and I go from there. Hey, man, like.
At least smile one time for these hoes.
Show the hoes. Show the world. Move. Show the world. Man.
That's it.
Show the gangster grill.